Okay, here's the plates that I got for the Polara, the spring relocation kits. I'm going to put it on. I think we're going to be using this one here. It's farther from the center. Or that looks like 1.5 inches. That's probably 1 inch right here. The only thing is the stud is a little bit smaller. I'm going to have to fill this in somehow, but I'm going to test fit them, see what happens. All right, well, there it is. You can see the wheel is up forward a little bit more. It's 1 inch. You could tell on this side it's actually a little bit centered. It's not too far back. However, it did lower it. Let me get under here. God, it's too dark. Anyway. It's too dark. Anyway, it lowered it down another 1/4 inch. But the ride is pretty tight. The rear suspension is pretty tight, so I don't think it's gonna, squat or make contact with the inner fender well. But anyway, those spacers, what they did is they just relocated the spring forward, or you could put them backwards and they'll make the wheelbase longer. But anyway, that's it for this. I did keep the original springs. They are back here somewhere. There they are. Like I said, the problem, well, not the problem, the issue was this pin here on the other ones was farther back, like maybe 1 inch. So, but I mean, it should be okay. I'm not gonna, it's not a race car or anything of that nature, but it should be fine. I hope. I'm gonna test drive it tomorrow as soon as I get off work, and then we'll see how it does. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll do another video on this car. Like I said, I haven't really talked much about it, but there it is. There's some of the other projects back here. This Ford here, the Chevy, and some other stuff back there. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Either way, I'd like to hear from you. Thanks again. Have a good rest of the day or evening, and be safe.